What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking all about what niches that you should be publishing in. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I got my results with my low content book publishing business, then check out that link in the description down below to go to Printing Profits. This will take you step by step on everything that I did to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, what niches should you be publishing in? Well, the short answer to that is I don't know. See, when it comes to publishing low content books, you need to be doing your own research and finding your own niches. See, what works for me might not work for you and vice versa. So what you might get success with in certain niches, I might try and not have any luck at all. Now, niches for low content books and no content books are really easy to find. They're everywhere. Now, a fruit could be a niche. A vegetable could be a niche. An animal, a sport. There's so many niches available for you to create books around, especially just for journals and notebooks. Did you even know that a cucumber is a niche when it comes to notebooks? You probably didn't, did you? I know I didn't, so let me just show you. Cucumber journal. See, cucumber journal. There's people searching for this, not that many, but still it's a niche. And if we look at the BSRs, that's 7 million. That's a 4 million. Not found. 4 million. So this on average probably sells one notebook every now and then. So there's not a lot of demand for this, but it's still a niche. Now you could do this with chicken. Chicken journal. 30 monthly searches. Let's have a look. See, chicken journals. So, niches are absolutely everywhere when it comes to no and low content books, especially journals and notebooks. Even cheese. You would never have thought that cheese was a low content book niche or a no content. So let's do that. Cheese. Cheese journal. 70 monthly searches. So people are actually looking for a cheese journal, which is absolutely ridiculous. And as you can see, there's only 215 results. Scroll down, and with a BSR under 1 million. So cheese, who would have thought? A cheese journal. So there's unlimited amounts of niches. So just do the research, start making a list of all these niches, and then once you have built out that list, just keep going through your list every day, creating those books. So this is what I have recently been doing. I've been building out a spreadsheet of all these different journal and notebook niches, and then every day I just go in, choose one, create a bunch of designs, create books, and then upload them. But doing this, doing your own research instead of relying on people to tell you what niche you should publish in, you're going to find all these different niches that you had no idea existed. I mean, I had no idea that people were actually searching for a cheese journal. Now, why do we do this? Why are we doing the research to find these niches? Well, it's because you want to create books that people are searching for. Now, if you've started designing stuff and you just think, oh yeah, I'm going to design this without doing the research, you don't actually know if there's any demand for that product. Now, as you can see, doing a little bit of research is as easy as just putting cheese in front of journal or notebook, and then you could do it with a different word. So let's do banana. As you can see, 50 monthly searches. So you could find a bunch of niches. You could just Google niches or Google fruits, vegetables, just get all these different lists and then start seeing if people are actually searching for a journal. I mean, who would have guessed a banana journal? And there's only 205 results. And are they actually selling? Yes, they're selling. So this is why it winds me up when people say that low content book publishing is saturated. So here's a niche, banana journal. It gets 50 monthly searches just here. So there's people searching for it, and there's only 205 results. Does that look saturated to you? It doesn't to me. So this is why it winds me up when people say it's all saturated. They clearly don't do their own research into finding niches. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.